Cuba is reducing the energy requirements of new buildings through bioclimatic architectural design and the use of local materials. Using natural ventilation to avoid dependence on energy-intensive mechanical cooling systems, they plan to use renewable options.
There is ecosol efficiency devoted to energy efficiency services. For example, to a hotel, they make all the analysis of how the energy is being used, and they give a better approach for using efficiently the energy.
Architecture can play a major role in saving energy. Traditional Cuban architecture was more effective in cooling homes than many modern buildings.
For example, they discovered that temperature inside the building was lower than outside on the streets because there is an inertia, and depending on the size of the courtyard, the proportions and the orientation, and even the shadow, mainly the shadow in the courtyard, temperature inside the spaces could be lower than outside. So in this case, it's not desirable to have cross ventilation, and cross ventilation is what is commonly proposed for warm and humid climates.
But see, now you have two levels in the former ground floor.
Yes.
Okay? And this is very interesting. When you stand here, you see the air moving in, because the courtyard was like an air stack to allow the air to circulate. So this is a very ecological architecture. High ceilings, isolating you from the heat, ceramic tiles. Okay, the blinds appear now, see?
Yes.
The previous one had no blinds. Now you see the blinds, and the lucette is made of glass. The fanlight is typical of the Cuban colonial architecture.